This is how a girl wants you to text her. 1. Be unique. Attempt to send your young lady a book that an extraordinary person could send. Don't simply say hello there or send her an abnormal emoji. Figure out how to make her grin or to arouse her curiosity. Do whatever you need to do to make her think, hello, there's something extraordinary about this person. I need to continue conversing with him. Here are a few different ways to be unique. Fascinate her with your mind. Mention a clever objective fact that shows the young lady your remarkable perspective on world. Make her snicker. Give her that you can be shrewd significantly over messaging. Reveal to her something she hasn't heard previously. In the event that you simply heard a stunning bit of news that you realize will make her jaw drop, share your insight. 2. Pose a decent inquiry. An inquiry is an extraordinary spot to begin, since then your young lady will realize that you're sitting tight for an answer. You would prefer not to leave her with that, "What am I expected to say to that?" feeling, so the more straightforward and explicit you are, the better. Here are some extraordinary approaches to pose an inquiry. Get some information about her day or her week. In the event that you realized she had a significant occasion not too far off, ask how it went. Ensure the inquiry is something she can without much of a stretch answer. Try not to get some information about the importance of life. Approach the young lady what she's accomplishing for the 4th of July. Keep it basic. Only one short sentence can impart a huge message. Keep it open-finished. Rather than asking, "What time did you return home from the show the previous evening?" state, "How was the show the previous evening?" This will give your young lady more to work with. In the event that you pose an inquiry that can be replied in only a couple of words, at that point you might be removing the discussion before it got an opportunity to begin. What's up, Success Animation here. There is one forward question you should completely never inquire as to whether you need her to be your girlfriend or wife. Or then again anything past only an hookup who you never get notification from again. Do you recognize what the inquiry is? As a guy it will probably sound completely innocent to you. In any case, I can disclose to you that when women hear this inquiry it takes all of the wind out of their romantic sails. Regardless of about how they feel about a man before he asks it. What's more, on the off chance that you have ever had a woman pull away from you when you didn't need anything more on the planet than to have her draw you closer, it's most likely on the grounds that you posed this inquiry without knowing it. In fact, you probably thought asking this question was a good thing even though you couldn't be more wrong. Once more, do you recognize what the inquiry is? Let me give you a clue. The question is blank you blank me. Can you fill in the blanks? I have asked a lot of guys if they know what the question is, and only 3 guys out of every 100 get it right. Along these lines, do you comprehend what the inquiry is? If you are absolutely sure you are right, then we have nothing else to say to each other. But if you don't know the answer, or if you just want to confirm that you do, I need you to stop whatever you are doing and go watch the special video I have assembled for you at the link you see on your screen now. See, this video is by Joshua Pelliser, one of the biggest experts when it comes to seducing women. And in the special video you will watch when you click the link you see on your screen, he will show you what this toxic forward question is. He will teach you the shocking and strange truth about female psychology and why women pull away, and introduce you to a simple 3-word phrase that forces a woman to automatically open her heart, let down her shields and commit to love you, and even worshipping you while thinking it's 100% her idea. And all you have to do is click the link and go watch the video right now. Before the curiosity drives you mad. Before you find yourself in bed tonight wondering what you missed. Because I can only help you if you decide to help yourself by clicking the link on your screen and watching this special video right now.